washer guys na nahulog dito. And then once you have this incident, do not start the engine, otherwise it will ruin everything. It will destroy the rocker arms, and then the valves hitting the piston, and then that will cost you a lot trouble. So since we already locate the washer, we're gonna have to look around the nut that is in here. It should be hiding somewhere here. Again, once you have this scenario, once you do not start the engine until you got to sort out the problem. Okay, so hinahanap natin yung nut dito na nalaglag. Ma-recover pa natin yung nut kasi yung nut is maliit. Kuha pa ba natin? Ang ano dito is yung kanyang maliit na magnet. So guys, we find the nut, no? Nakita na itong nut. Yan ang kahalagahan sa magnet. Okay? So saludo ako sa nag-invento nito ng magnet. Ito lang siya ang hinahanap natin. Nut na maliit. Yung washer. Recover na natin. So lagay natin dito para ipakita natin sa may-ari na na-recover na natin. Yan. And then try natin fishing tayo dito kung meron pa bang ibang nalaglag para make it sure that there is nothing foreign object that is fall down here. Then you have to double check. So wala na, no? No more. So no more. So that's it guys. Once you have this scenario, like once you have this scenario, like as you see, like the nut and the washer fall down on the cylinder head, on the top of the head. Please do not start the engine. Recover na natin ang hinahanap natin. So magpapalit na lang tayo ng papalitan natin ng rocker cover gasket. So ito yung mga guys, ito yung engine na bulletproof. Okay, yung mga bagong Cobra ngayon, weight belt na po yung kanyang pinalitan ng weight belt instead na chain. Weight belt po pinalit ng mga bagong model ngayon, which is but ito 7 model na Honda sasabihin ko sa inyo, masasabi ko lang dito is bulletproof. So again, the reason why we open up the rocker cover because we need to recover this small nut that was full down inside, okay, on the head. And then since we have got it already, and then we're closing in, like replace everything here. And before replacing everything, clean out a little bit here. So obviously ang nangyari is ganyan siya, no? Ewan ko kung anong nangyari sa may-ari nito, but ginanyan niya yung nakamodified na yung filler cap. So ganyan siya. So, sabi ng mayari, binuksan niya, natanggal yung nut. Hindi washer doon sa iwan. So, tumawag siya sa atin na something fell down on the head, like the washer and the nut was inside. It used to be like that, and then the owner called us that the washer and the nut fell down, and I told him do not start the engine, otherwise it will ruin everything, the rocker arms and everything. So buti naman he listened. He didn't start the engine until we came along. Okay, so with the help of the magnet that we have here, we certainly recover the thing. So now we're ready to install the rocker cover gasket in this thing, the seal. Okay, this is the broken part here. This is the open and down. Meron siyang spark plug seal. Tatanggalin natin yung spark plug seal. Ito pa dito para may gasgasan na siya. Grabe. The next one. So change the ganyan lang po siya. Bago. So, huwag pa ganyan. Ganyan siya. Most likely, lagyan natin ng oil to para mag-kapit siya. So guys, ready to install na yung natin, lagyan natin installation po ito yung kanyang spark plug seal. And then once it's in, we're gonna tap muna natin temporary, no? Para sure tayo na walang malaglag dito sa pillar cap nya in sa wheel pillar. So yan. Okay. So guys, yan, natapos na. So temporary lang lagyan ng ano, stove pa yan until maka-order siya ng ano, pillar cap. Okay, tatawagin natin may tapos na lahat. Check lang natin yung level niya. Sa ayos. These things need service. Service. So wala, very low oil. So sabihan natin yung mayari. Okay, so huwag yung hayaan na ma-low oil kayo guys yung sasakyan. At least dito siya sa gitna. Kasi pag dito na low level siya, kailangan nyo ng oil talaga. So maximum is dito. And then ang oil niya ngayon is sobrang baba na, no? Guys, if you drop something like this one here, this was dropped before, the nut and then the washer that was dropped inside, do not start the engine until the rescue point. Okay, so that's a Accord 2007 model.